Well, you guys, good afternoon. Here we are, one wheelbarrow at a time, getting her done. I have found that I guess the very first thing that they chopped up yesterday was a palm, because it was on this side, and that was towards the back where they would have done it first. The rest of it, you guys, is look at this. It's beautiful, beautiful oak all the way through. So chip drop works, and I'm excited about it. I'm just kind of mixing the green and the brown, and I'm using it over here on this hedge that I have in the front. And then I'm just bringing it all the way around. I'm going to fill in this area right here, but all this right here, I'm using it over here by the mulberry. I planted something here, I don't remember what it was, but it's growing, so that. And also over here we have the passion fruit vine that's growing underneath this tree, so I'm just putting some mulch there as well around. And over here is this avocado tree, and I want to get some mulch over here by it as well, because these are things I just kind of planted in the ground with not a lot of good stuff, you know, good dirt or anything, just straight into the Florida sand. So that's what I'm gonna do right here, just layer it with the green and mix some of the brown, which green is the palm, brown is the oak, and just layer it through here until it decays and turns into some good stuff for the things growing around it. So I'm just doing that. You can see here and all the way here, and I will bring it back around here and go back to the firewood and up here, and I'll do the same thing around all of these. Biden's alba is what I'm thinking these flowers are that are growing. They say if it has two things, like if you hold it sideways and you look, you can see the two little petals like they're up. You guys research it, I can't explain it very well. But this is where what I'm doing today with this chip drop, because I've got to get this corner knocked out so I can pull my truck out of the driveway. I can, but it's not easy. So I got my work cut out for me, y'all. But you can never have too much mulch, right? Especially when it's free. So this is what I'm doing today. We're getting this down so that the plants will be able to retain the moisture and stay warm in the wintertime. You guys have a great day. Count all those blessings, and look at this pile of blessing I have right here. It was free. So grateful for this. And y'all don't forget to hydrate. Let me tell you, I've already twice had to hose down because it's hot out here, and I'm making sure that I drink my lemon ginger tea. Got my turmeric and cracked pepper in there with it to help with this inflammation I'm gonna have when I'm done with all this work. So y'all stay hydrated and count those blessings. That's all I got for right now. Bye. Well, it's been a long day. I got about that much done. I don't know if y'all can see exactly, but all the way. Anyways, I got a lot done today. So I've mulched this all right here, all the way up to the driveway, and all the way around. I still didn't get this spot over here. I'll have to come back and get this spot. But I have this nice thick layer of mulch all the way around. Didn't get back there, but I did get around this tree right here, all the way around here. And I'll continue on, but mainly I got all that green out of the pile. Not all of it, there's still some left, but for the majority of it, which let me get a good dent in here for the rest, so I can get that good oak in there that's going to be good for the raised beds. You can see I got this right here done today. I actually did this part right here too. Got these 2 key limes that are growing here. I don't know if they were going to make it or not. They're still growing, so I guess they're wanting to live. I'm going to do what I can to make that happen. Got some calendula, some spinach, Suriname spinach, some purple okra. This is the pomegranate tree that's coming back to life, thankfully. A bunch of sweet potatoes, Okinawa spinach. Even have some kohlrabi. I think this is kohlrabi that I grew down here. I got this one from the Urban Harvest, and I planted it, and it's still just doing this. I'm not sure what I'm doing wrong, but I'm not sure if that's how it's supposed to look or not. But anyways, and then there's that miracle berry that I thought died, but it came back. Then you got these hitchhiker plants. They had a really pretty flower on them. They're good for nitrogens and fixing and things like that. More Okinawa spinach. More of the same okra and spinach. And here, this isn't doing very well, but this is a CISO spinach. And this is a longevity spinach, which does really good here. Really good here. But you can see all the way around, I used that mulch here. Forgot, I gotta get that spot over here too. Yeah, that's what I did today. And over here, look, there's my pecan tree. It's poking up. Oop, poking up through there. And over here is where I planted the jackfruit seed from the first one, from the one that my grandson gave me. That little baby leaf growing on the top. I'll have to be sure to protect it really well over the winter time, and we'll see how it works out for it. I hope it, hold on, hold that phone right there. There we go. I needed both hands for this one. Yeah, protect it. And hopefully one day we can have some jackfruits off of it. And this is also a CISO spinach. Nope, yep, nope, not CISO spinach, just a Suriname spinach. But this is a variegated one. At least I was told that this is what it was. I think that's what it is. I'm pretty sure. I got it at Green Dreams Nursery. And I've moved this one twice, but it wants to live. It's still growing. It's pretty good too. It's got a nice little flavor to it. You can add to your salads. But chip drop is a good thing. It worked. I've got a lot more to do, but I can only do so much at a time. So this is what I got done today. What did you guys get done in the garden today? One wheelbarrow at a time, and you can accomplish quite a bit. So you guys get out there. I hope this will encourage you to do some gardening of your own, or just do something in the yard, even if it's just growing annuals just to start. It'll get you outside and get you some vitamin D, and that's always a good thing. You guys, that's all I got for today. Stay hydrated. Count those blessings.